Ohio update. We now find that an estimated 43,000 fish have died since the toxic wreckage, according to the Cleveland 5 News. The dead fish were all located within a 5-mile span, suggesting that local bodies of water may have taken the biggest hit. If 43,000 fish have died, it's only a matter of time before these toxins reach groundwater supply and soil. Local farmers are getting pretty nervous because planting season is just about a month away, and there's some big decisions that need to be made.
There was a haze in my barn, and you could smell it pretty strong. Would like to see some testing of the soil, because that's where my livelihood is, in the soil.
So the EPA has stated that they will be doing soil testing, but they haven't yet released a timeline on when they will be doing so. We have so much compassion for these farmers that are experiencing so much uncertainty, whether it's their crops or their reputation. So here's the biggest piece of dirt. In an article that we read by WKBN News, Norfolk Southern is still waiting on testing results from private wells. Wait, what? You're telling me that Norfolk Southern is the ones doing the testing, even though they're the ones that caused the toxic wreckage? A private company valued at $38 billion with $13 billion in shareholder equity. That's whack and a conflict of interest. Why? Because they have shareholders to please, babies to kiss, ribbons to cut, hands to shake. We definitely think they should be paying for every last penny, everything necessary to get this place back to normal. But as far as them doing the testing and controlling the dissemination of information to the public about something that could really vastly affect people's livelihoods in this area, we would like to see more hands on deck that aren't so tied up in a conflict of interest. So who should be doing the research and testing? We don't have all the answers, but I'm open to suggestions. There's so much that we can do to help our farmers in building more resilient and abundant land through regenerative agriculture. And here it comes again, sign our petition. Help us get 100,000 signatures. We can make this a reality. We can do this.